Delta. Delta writes, I just want 170 horsepower Spark. You can do that right now. There's turbo kits. I think they're out of Austria. But do not expect BRP to come out with 170 horsepower Spark, like under any circumstances. It won't happen. It'll kill people. People will kill themselves. People are killing themselves on 110 horsepower skis. There's no way that's effectively just walking up to a kid and handing him a double barrel breech loaded shotgun that's loaded and going, here you go, kid, have fun. It's a bad idea. There is a Spark X. It's been in development and it's on the shelf. My take on it will be a choose your own adventure, depending on here we go with my tinfoil hat, but depending on how the election goes. Right now, we are currently experiencing the greatest sales slump since 2009, 2010. We're watching a precipitous decline in watercraft sales. Boat sales are tragic. The Manitou / Sea-Doo Switch plant laid off close to 40% of its workforce. Boat sales are in the toilet. Jet ski sales are close behind. Power sports sales are close behind. People do not have the money to buy and play on their power sports toys. And that is because of the economy. That is not because of the war in Ukraine, even though that's our tax money going to war. That is not the conflict in Gaza. That is because of current policymakers whom we have voted for. If and when the election goes the other direction, and goes the direction that all current polling is showing, it will take a year, in my opinion. It will take a year to year and a half for people to start spending money again the same way we were spending money in 2019, late 2020, all through 2021. And that is on toys and fun things and recreation. And that's due to consumer confidence, which is an actual trackable statistic. When there's higher consumer confidence, people buy homes, people buy boats, people go on vacation, people buy toys, people spend money. And for the last 3 years, consumer confidence has been declining massively. And if the election goes in a direction that I hope, we will see that consumer confidence go up. When you see consumer confidence go up, you see manufacturers, auto manufacturers, auto manufacturers, power sports manufacturers, manufacturers of all sorts of things. They start to say, "Hey, we have a fertile marketplace. Let's produce content or product that may be more risky, but has a higher yield." And if and when it goes that way, I expect the Spark X to arrive as a 2026 model. That is my take.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.